Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna assemble the door. I have to put the hardware, the glass, everything that goes inside the door. I have to put the door panel. It's the coldest day of the year, but it's a beautiful day because it's shiny, it's sunny. It's a very beautiful day. Cold but beautiful. Yes. Yeah, and today I'm gonna do the door. Maybe put the bed on the truck. I'll see how far I will get, but I have to finish this door. I only put the crash sensor to see if the airbag light is gonna reset, is gonna disappear. Everything is good. Now should the remote start too, so should be good with that. So yeah, I'll start working on this. And almost there, guys, almost there with the build. This color I will see in the sun, it's a little bit off, but I'll just assemble everything and see. Maybe I'll just repaint it if I can match, they can match the exact color. Yeah, if not I have to do a blending. We'll see how bad it's gonna look. Yeah, because this is like a little like dark white and this is like lighter, so yeah, you can see the difference on the camera too. So my trick to not lose the screw sometimes, just tape it. Now I want to put this, the panel. I got the door 100%, so man, look at this, look at this. It's a little darker, I don't know why, but look at this, look at the gaps, look at this, everything works, look, gaps. Gap, trunk, look, gaps, the same like here, the same like here. Ooh, the doors, let's see. A little dusty, but I'm gonna wash it. I have to wash the truck, but it was so cold. Let's see if it works. Look. Look. Everything looks nice. Look. So I got everything. I took everything off the other door, but I replaced the crash sensor, impact airbag crash sensor. It wasn't crashed, but I just wanted to replace it as because it took a hit right next to it. It didn't touch it, but I said, oh, I'm gonna just go like the safe route. I got a new original one, so look how it closes. Man. Professionista. Now I want to check and see if it does remote start now, because if it has the check engine, I know it doesn't start, but I still don't have the bed and the tail lights, the tailgate, tail lights, everything hooked up. Let's see if it goes like this without those. Yeah, it doesn't start. I think I need to put everything in to start like from the remote, so too bad, but nice. I'm glad I did it turned out pretty nice for this rebuild. So now I'm thinking to put the bed on the truck. Look at this, look at this. I'm gonna put it on the truck, and I will still have this piece of metal to order and some plastic trims on that one on the bed. Next step is to reinstall the bed. I'm glad I got to this step, so let's go. Okay, let's see how it looks. So now I need to put the trims. I put the bed in. It's not bolted. I just wanted to see how it looks in the sunlight. So the color is slightly different, but after I wash the car I expect to not even see it that much. So I'm happy with the paint after all.